This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jessi.m.Watkins. This gem is going live at the open house on Saturday, December 4th. 1 to 3 p.m. This spacious, 2-story home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, large fenced-in yard and much more. Home and appliances are just over 2 years old. Conveniently located near I-75 in Powell. Don't miss out on this beauty. It won't last long. Buyerto. Verify square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Jessi.m.Watkins at 865-584-4000.